Hello everybody, welcome back. My name's Cameron with the Bull Trades. I'd like to preface this video by saying I am not a financial advisor, nor am I recommending you to buy or sell anything. This is just my personal opinion on AMC Entertainment Holdings. So what happened today? We were down, closed at $47.91, currently after hours market trading at $42.87. I do own shares in the company, just as full disclosure, but I'm just selling. I'm selling. I'm done with AMC. I'm done with AMC, and I'll tell you why. And this is just my opinion. You can get mad, you can dislike, you can like this video. I don't really care, but this is my opinion, and I'm sticking to it. So why am I done? Well, let's go ahead and look at the Ortex information on the short borrowing interest data. So, and just take this as time is T plus 2. So this is actually settled on the day that we actually had that massive run up. So I'm going to tell you, a lot of people were saying it was a gamma squeeze, up to $72 a share. This data just proves it was not a gamma squeeze. Look at this, short interest change. Negative 20.88%. Return shares 31.58 million with only 2.65 borrowed. That's crazy. So the net difference is 28.93 million. Current short interest is down to 13.81%. Estimated current short interest is 70.57 million. So what does it mean? It means there was a lot of buying to cover. So when we shot up to just over $72 a share a couple of days ago, it was covered. Everybody was covering. That was it. Simple as that. It was a buy to cover situation. So shorts were getting out and selling like crazy and taking losses. They took a lot of losses, but they saw the writing on the wall. So what do you think is going to happen from here on out? Well, let's think about it. Let's just go back to the stock price, okay? AMC. Now, there's a lot of talk about the share count. How many shares are outstanding? So AMC currently has 501 million shares outstanding. And we can see that through Market Watch data. Okay, 501 million shares outstanding. Stock price. 46.04 to 57.48. Market capitalization, $25.76 billion. So do you remember when GameStop squeezed, and I think they went up to like around $480 a share, and that was their absolute all-time high. So look at this, $246.99 a share. Well, why is GameStop so high? Why can't we go up that high? Well, in theory, we probably already are. Shares outstanding, 70 million shares. Let's do some math. 70 million shares outstanding buys the stock price. Just do the math. Now this is just showing the aftermarkets hours. So let's just go back to GameStop. Where is it? I had it here. Anyway, okay, let's just put it in. Let's put it in. All right. So GME, 70 million shares, closed at $248. Will give you a market cap. And if we look at the market cap of GME, $18.27 billion. Holy moly. $18.27 billion. $246.90 share price. All right, let's go back to AMC. Wow, 25.76 billion, and the stock price is only $48. What's up with that? Why aren't we $250 a share? Oh, wait a minute. You know, with a 25.76 market cap, we should be we should be way above. We're like $7 billion higher. Oh no, I forgot. We've got 501 million shares outstanding. Oh shoot, I forgot about math and all that good stuff was involved. So, theoretically, how much were we? at $72 a share. So $72 a share, and say we were at the same number of shares outstanding. So it's like a ratio of 7. So we've got 7 times more shares outstanding than GameStop. So 7 times 72, well, like $500 a share equivalent. So if we were comparing apples to apples, GameStop to AMC, we were at $500 a share. So what happened with GameStop? Did they go any higher? Did they go to 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000? No, they're down. Currently about 50% of the all-time high. So, let's look at one thing that is important, is the volume, the trading volume. How many shares traded today in AMC? Well, the average is 134.66 million. That is the average. That's the average. Let's see if we can find a trading volume. Let's go AMC. Oh, volume 326.581 million. And the other day we traded 700 million plus 500 million, 600 million. These are very hyperinflated trading volumes. It's not sustainable. Not sustainable at all. To move this stock at 500 million shares, you're going to have massive volumes. Is it possible? Yeah, because we did it before. But to keep that up consistently, it's going to be tough. Very, very tough. I'm going to tell you, I think the writing's on the wall. A lot of people made a lot of money. And this is just my personal opinion. I don't think there's as many diamond hands out there as a lot of people think there is. Otherwise, why would we be down? And then after hours, why are people selling? Oh, it's the day traders, they're taking it down, Well, there should be more apes than day traders. Wouldn't you think? Diamond hands holding forever for $100,000 a share. $100,000 a share. $45 trillion. Who in their right mind is going to let that happen? They shut it down. So, in the interim, AMC Entertainment is highly speculative. It could go to 80, 90, 100, 120, 150, but it's going to be tough. It's going to be tough. When you put money into the market, you have to be able to preserve your capital. Capital preservation is key, so you can live to fight another day. AMC is one of thousands of stocks out there. There's a ton of stocks, a ton of good, high quality, high growth, highly speculative stocks. You know, if that's what people like, there's definitely plenty of those to go around, that's for sure. Good quality stocks too. You know, if you've got profits, substantial profits in this, I'm not telling you what to do, but I'm just presenting this information. You can do your own research, but just think logically. 500 million shares outstanding, $47.91 a share. GameStop, 70 million shares outstanding, $2.50 a share. Do the math. Just do the math. What are we at right now? $48, call it 50 times 7. Well, like a $3.50, $3.40 a share. Right now, if you equate with the same level of shares outstanding as GameStop, we're actually trading higher than them. What do you think's going to happen? It could be a bloodbath on Monday. We could still go up. This might squeeze higher than GameStop. It might squeeze double. If it squeezes double, then you're looking at about $140 a share, equivalent, with massive volumes. We got a good run of about 30, 40 bucks with 30 million shares. So say we get a substantial number of shares that cover next week. It could drive us up from 50 up to 80 or 90, but it'd have to be a major substantial cover of like 30, 40 million shares. And then it's pretty much over. You know, if every single short got out, we could go to 120, 140, 150. I don't like to speculate about synthetic shares. I know a lot of people have talked about synthetic shares. Are there synthetic shares out there? I don't know. The CEO couldn't tell us. The brokerages are not going to tell us. CNBC, Fox Business News. I haven't heard anything about synthetic shares. It's speculation, but these are the facts that we have. This is the picture I'm painting, and this is the reason why I'm selling my AMC on Monday. I may hold it for a few extra days if we get a little push on Monday, but I will sell into the strength. I don't really know what else to say, except I like to keep my money. I don't like losing money, and I've been doing this for a couple of years now. Well, I should say a couple of decades. Anyway, do what you want. This is just informational purposes only. It's only my opinion. I mean, what the hell do I know? I'm just a poor investor trying to make a living. And what does that saying say? The old adage is, bulls and bears make money. I guess apes too, but greedy little pigs get slaughtered. So definitely don't want to be one of them. That's for sure. So if this means to you that you can't take care of the family, put food on the table, pay the rent, pay the bills, you should not be investing into any kind of stock or investment. That's all I can say. So with that said, like, subscribe, dislike, whatever. I'm sure people will hate me. I'm fine with that. I can live with that. But if you find value, I'd certainly appreciate you, because that's what I'm on here for. So anyway, have a great weekend. Decide what you want to do over the weekend. Monday will soon be around, and you'll have a wonderful day. Peace out.